Changing your acoustic, electric, and bass guitar strings just got a whole lot easier, more effective, and fun. Music Nomad's 6-piece string change toolkit contains all the essential products used by top touring techs and repair shops worldwide for the most efficient string changing process to ensure the best sound from your new strings. We even give you this 12-page string changing tips and tricks booklet to ensure you perform all these critical steps that only takes a few minutes to keep you playing and sounding the best. We even include a convenient storage tube. The all-in-one string winder, cutter, puller is designed for electric guitars, acoustic guitars, bass, ukulele, banjo, and more. Our unique scratch-free and clank-free rubber-lined head design fits and grips virtually all tuning pegs, and the narrow profile design keeps you from hitting other pegs. Our innovative precision bearing construction allows for effortless, silent, and super fast winding with an ergonomic comfort grip centered below the bearing for a perfectly balanced spinning rotation. Our string cutter is made with strong carbon steel construction and works great for all string types, big and small. Electric guitar, acoustic guitar, and even bass. Our design also lets you cut close to the tuning pegs. Our innovative bridge pin puller is designed for the most popular acoustic guitar pins, such as Taylor, Martin, and other popular brands. Stop tuning between every song. Music Nomad's Tune It is your personal guitar tech to stay in tune longer and reduce string breakage. Apply to the nut slot, bridge, saddle, and string guides every string change. It's also great for moving parts such as open tuners and tremolo bars. Most importantly, it does not affect the sound or sustain of the strings. A little goes a long way to help you sound the best. We even include 2 convenient applicators. Forget lugging around a bunch of screwdrivers, nut drivers, and wrenches when the Octopus 8-in-1 tech tool can handle the job. The 8-in-1 Octopus's innovative design is perfect for tightening output jacks, control pots, strap buttons, tuning machine bushings, and screws. It features both a Phillips head and flat blade screwdriver with our reversible shaft design and is engineered for the most popular hex wrench sizes: 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 14 millimeters, half inch, and 7/16 inch. That's Music Nomad quality, raising the bar in equipment care. To check out all our products, go to musicnomadcare.com.